Welcome guys to the channel today. On today's video, we will be showing you guys how to install, ready? A louver for my 2017 Challenger. Goes just like that. Shout out to the wifey for my Valentine's Day present. So over here, I kind of laid out to some of the stuff that it comes with. I already sort of kind of jumped the gun a little bit, but it comes with these kind of brackets just like this. They're kind of blank. And then it comes with this double-sided sticky tape, just like that. So I'm gonna continue, I'm not gonna bore you guys, so I'm gonna continue and kind of clean these. Now, I do have some alcohol, so this is what you're gonna need to kind of prep all this kind of surfaces and prep obviously the window. But I'm gonna continue kind of prepping these and then I'll show you how to install. It's pretty easy install though, so give me a minute and we'll be right back. All right guys, so I laid it out already. So we already applied the double-sided sticky tape to the brackets. So now, just like anything, rule of thumb, when you come to painting something, sticking something, whatever, it's all about the prep. So I'm gonna take my trusty handy dandy alcohol and my trusty handy dandy rag over here, and then we're gonna wipe down all the corners of this window so nice and clean. That way our brackets have a nice, good, clean surface to stick on. do give you an option as far as washers. They give you kind of these rubber ones, or they give you these thin metal ones, and then obviously your locking nut. I'm gonna go with these rubber ones just for now. I think it just gives you a little bit more clearance. So I'm gonna put these at the bottom of all these anchors.